So, Pastor, now my fiance what I tell you about with this. He's a real man. Give me money. Take care of me very well. He never even reach 2 weeks, so he don't buy me food. So I tell him about him, give me 100 kiss, I can't give. A real man, yes, Pastor.
Thank you, my brother. Thank you. You're welcome. You're a new man. Well, look which one you can't come last time.
I better leave that one.
You don't work?
No work, I beg. This one I'm a real man. No work, I beg.
You don't they use men to do business. If this one come buy this one, so what I'm gonna break up. This one come buy another one. It is me like clothes.
You be mumu.
Mother, welcome here.
Thank you.
You don't need to say you be real man. But I want you to have in mind say anytime a woman tell you say you be real man, anytime a woman praise you say you be real man, you are dying slowly. See village. If you are doing business, see setback. Once woman don't confirm say you be real man, you are in trouble. Oh. Are you hearing me? This is say never these 2 weeks now. Don't buy phone. If they give a peace of mind, if they give her money, I even say you give 100,000 money she give me.
Exactly.
That's so lucky. This year now, it don't be like three men. This year, you're the top person.
Shut up.
You got me wondering. I don't believe you go still make a move. After all the trends for this street, the last man that came to marry her, that one that did not work out. It is not up to 4 months. She don't do 2 abortions for them. Now see what is going on? I don't pray tire. Even God don't answer prayer tire. If you answer prayer, you go still bounce back. You know the year word. But I will welcome you. At least now make you marry. At least God go rest. Even me say we dey pray for you, I go rest too. Make you not disturb God. One day he go just kill you. Rest. Because you guys don't go tell disturb God. He go just spy you. Make you rest. If you go to book of this guy, when this guy was praying to for this step, he pray, God just kill him. Hallelujah! You are too lucky. I'm honestly speaking. Tell me, Abi.
No.
I don't mind.
Even that my sister wedding husband, I don't come back village.
You see,
if you take care of him.
You dey hear them.
Papa God.
Their elder sister, we marry. She don't come back for her husband's house. Now you see them. They're about mine in the family. But I think they'll say you are here. At least now know all their family problem now go transfer to you. Maybe they help them.
You say?
Yeah, talk.
Thank you.
So now, you see fine guy, handsome guy. So, okay, ma'am.
Thank you, Pastor.
Shut up.
Pastor, God, can follow.
I'm not feeling yellow. Block a never can look at I'm not feeling yellow. Kimalo.
Okay, did I know you? I'm not one day. That didn't become mother. You put on one.
Oh, actually, I get
one thing,
okay. So, no grill. What about the other thing? The one day came now, who give me? Now, off me game over 100,000. Where is it?